2024 Ford F-150 Lightning Black Edition, what we know so far. The Ford F-150 Lightning Black Edition is on the way, but what can we expect from this special version? Here's what we know. The Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Black Edition is a limited edition truck with a sleek and distinctive exterior, featuring a matte black vinyl wrap, special badging, and black 22-inch wheels. Powered by an extended range battery pack, the Platinum Black Edition has an impressive powertrain, delivering 580 HP and 775 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds and reach a top speed of 110 miles per hour. With a starting MSRP of $99,990, the 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Black Edition is a high-quality and exclusive truck that will be strictly limited to 2,000 units, making it a sought-after and pricey option in the market. Delivery is expected early next year. The Ford F-150 has been a legend of the pickup truck world for decades now, combining rugged durability with fantastic usability in a go-anywhere do-anything package. The nameplate has gone through some significant changes during its extended time on the market, with perhaps the largest coming in 2021 as part of the 14th generation when, in a landmark moment for the industry, the F-150 was first offered as an EV. The new truck proved surprisingly popular with market demand exceeding most expectations. Within a month of its June 21 launch, Ford revealed that over 100,000 reservations had been made, and due to a backlog of orders, second-hand prices have, at times, exceeded the list price for this Ford F-150 electric vehicle. Now, Ford has announced a new limited edition version of the F-150 Lightning, and it's cooler than ever. The Platinum Black Edition is on the way, but what can consumers expect of this special model, what's new, and why is it special? Here's what we know. What we know about its exterior and interior. The Ford F-150 Lightning is a seriously good-looking vehicle, which is a good thing as there aren't too many visual modifications you can make to it across the current range. The Platinum Black Edition of the SUV seriously stands out amongst its peers with its matte black vinyl exterior, special badging for the model, and unique 22-inch wheels naturally in black with matte black lug nuts, and, you guessed it, a matte black tonneau cover completes the look. The theme continues into a smoked light bar, a gloss black panoramic sunroof with special graphics, and plenty of interior pieces too. Consumers can expect black Nirvana leather upholstery and, if you look closely, you'll notice a special plate in the door jamb denoting the series number of the vehicle within the special edition, and a similar plaque in the frunk. Ford is offering a 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty for the vinyl wrap, which is supplied by 3M. Underneath the wrap, the F-150 Lightning Platinum Black is painted in Ford's agate black. What we know about the powertrain, platform, and other inner workings. 0 to 60 miles per hour. 4.0 seconds. Top speed. 110 miles per hour. Horsepower. 580 HP. Torque. 775 lb-ft. Curb weight. 6,500 pounds. Layout. Dual motor, all-wheel drive. The Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Black Edition will come with the optional extended range battery pack. This offers a substantial 580 HP and an incredible 775 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most capable pickups on the market. This power plant will provide the vehicle with enough power to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds and up to a top speed of 110 miles per hour. In terms of range, the F-150 Lightning Platinum Black Edition, with its extended battery pack, will be able to complete 300 miles on a single charge, a figure that can compete with almost any other truck on the market right now. What's the price tag? Trim. Starting MSRP. 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Edition. $93,290. 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Black Edition. $99,990. The 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Edition looks set to be one of the premier trucks available on the market next year, but all of this quality comes at a price. The vehicle, which will be strictly limited to 2,000 units, will cost as near as makes no difference, $100,000. This represents a large increase on the current 2023 F-150 Platinum Edition, which starts at $93,290, but this price increase represents the car's unique status and high quality. Customers can expect delivery of their F-150 Platinum Black Edition early next year, and we're certainly excited to see this incredible truck become a reality.